What's up, my beautiful people? Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Some food right now. See, pot up on the fire. Let's check what I go on there, pot. Whoa! Yo! I have to take off the fire. Yeah, man, start boil up already. I'm gonna even peel up the food yet. Wait, water boil up, I have to take off the pot. I rest you over this, so see there. I get them things I peel up now. Wash them off in this. Alright. Get back the pot on the fire. So I get the food in the pot. Yeah, man, water still hot. Get some food in it. Yeah, man, so like a food them. Yeah. As soon as it start boil up now, I get the plant inside. When I'm ready for put in the plant, and the last thing to go in the pot. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And leave a comment where you're watching from. Get the fire up. Make that start to bubble. Stay tuned. Guys, in the meantime, the water boil up on the fire over there, so food in a pot of bubble. I get our tuna, we eat it with this can of tuna with some cabbage. So I get the cabbage wash and chop up. In the meantime, go check what I go in the pot. Yeah, look at that. Bubbling. Yeah, guys, pot of boil up already. Yeah, man. Pot of bubble, get a little stir. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, man. Food actually ready. Pumpkin fully cooked already. Yeah, man, pumpkin and a mash out. You know. So I give that about 5 more minutes. Should I put in the pumpkin last? Yam first, should I put in. Yam people, I get them things fully cut up. Yeah, time to get the plant in the pot, man. I get the plant in the pot now. Yeah. You see what I go on in the pot. Whoa! Alright, get the plant in there. I almost forgot the plant in there, guys. Fully cut up now. Ready to go up on the fire. Look at that. Yes, guys, fully cut up. We got a one tuna to go in night. So we have cabbage with tuna. Yeah, look at that. Pot ready, pot ready. Alright, look at that. Fully cooked. Subscribe to the channel. Seems like the rain will end this cooking, you know. Yeah, man, rain a job. Right now, I get the cabbage on the fire. I do it before it rain, because rain a job. Yeah, get the pot cover now. Fire big and pretty. Yeah, but I just want to hurry up before it rain. Yeah, rain a come now. Stay tuned. It's gonna be yummy, delicious. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Yeah, look what I go on. Yeah, man, fire blaze up. Yeah. Man, the cabbage steam now. Get some water on it. Yeah, got that. Time to get the tuna in the pot now. Get it so. Yeah, time to get the tuna in the pot now. Eat a little stir. Cover up that for about 2 minutes. Okay, go and simmer. 2 minutes time, take it off. Yeah. Take a check on it now. Alright, ready. Take it off now. Look at that. Fully up. Yeah, man. Ready. Yeah, man, we got some food here, so too. Time to share it now. This is a plant now. Got that. Simple and easy, guys. Yeah, this is for later. Yeah, man, catch me, I eat some food, you know. Look at that. Yeah. Guys, so yummy delicious. Check it out. So I go through now and finish this. Subscribe to the channel.